Some of you might know me as a car guy, but today I'm coming in as a husband and a father and a champion for women's rights. I never thought I'd heard myself say that, but you know what? We are celebrating Women's Month, doing it a different way by empowering men. And before I do that, I just want to recognize Mr. Carlos Olabe, all the way from Korea. He's head of global HR of LG. Welcome to the Philippines. This is what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. You see, Women's Month, yes, it's supposed to be about empowering women, but how do we empower women? By helping them out. Who's married here? Hands up. Married people? Okay. Happy wife? See, you all know it. So this is what we're trying to do when we say empowering men to help women, or empowering women by teaching the men how to share in the chores. This is a global issue because men traditionally don't necessarily share an equal time in chores, particularly here in the Philippines. Now, this can get very, very hard because mothers are now doing up to 6.5 to 8 hours a day extra on top of their work doing chores at home. Obviously, that's going to take its toll on the marriage. Right, Steph? The laugh said it all. Encapsulated in one laugh. A very, very nervous laugh, like you'd expect a knife to come out the end. But we'll get to that. We'll get to talk to Steph and the rest of our ambassadors later. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, to speak more about how LG plans to change the mindset towards gender equality at home, please welcome up LG's Managing Director, Mr. Inkwon Hyo.
It is an exciting day for us at LG. Today, we are going to help change not only our household chores but also who does them. The laundry is usually done by the women, but now we want to make sure that men also do themselves. At LG, we believe in using technology to simplify life and to save time. Our washing machine is top-of-the-line products that are designed to make doing the laundry less complicated and more energy efficient. It is with our hope that the men of the household will see doing the family laundry less as a chore, but more as a way of showing support for their loved ones. I am also proud to say that we are helping community to have a clean clothes in areas that have a water problem through our LG Laundry Mobile. This morning and this afternoon, we invited residents from Barangay Malbunga in Pasig to do their laundry here, and we will bring the service to other parts of Metro Manila. We hope you enjoy your day with us and you can help spread the word about laundry law. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bob. All right. Okay, so one of the excuses used by men on why they don't help out at home, aside from drinking and the other ones, the ones they actually admit to is that technology is too hard. They don't know how to use it. It's like, well, ikaw na lang kasi baka I might break it, I don't know how to use it, right? LG's got a fix for that problem. They've turned this all into very simple machines so that even men can use it. And we're even going to make it super easy for you because not just one, but two of you are going to walk away with a brand new washing machine. Am I right? Did I read that right? It says two. I couldn't believe it. Are you sure? That's not a typo, man? Sure. 2 washing machines. All right, so listen up. This is how simple it is. All we want you to do is post a creative post about today preferably with a washing machine in it. But what's compulsory is use a hashtag, otherwise they will end up like that sock or your ball pen, missing. We won't find your post. You need to put a hashtag on it so that we can collate the post of the hashtag. The official hashtag is missing. Let's just go there we go, LG Laundry Love. Let me hold it up. Maybe you want to take a photo of that so you don't mistake it. LG Laundry Love. Put a hashtag there, connect the two. And the most creative posts, 2 of you will be drawn out later on in the program. So you have to be here. Ambassadors, sorry you're not included. But everyone else, you're all included. You have to stay to the end, okay? So if we draw your name and you don't happen to be here, we will hand it out to somebody else, and nobody wants that. So, right now let's move on a little bit further to talk about the challenges. Before we get to the challenges, we look forward to the launch of the LG Mobile, the Laundry Mobile. This is a whole new program. But now to talk about the challenges that women face in caring for the members of the family, let us hear from the perspective of a mom. My friend, Stephanie Sabiri, is a multi-talented, multitasking. She's everywhere. She's a mom. She's a social media blogger. She's an influencer. She's many, many things. And I know, first and foremost, she's still a mom. So let's hear about her experiences running a household and the challenges of being a working mom. Ladies and gentlemen, Stephanie Sabiri.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Okay, as you saw, that's my youngest son helping me out there. And I think, like what James said, I am a mom. I'm also a working mom. And I think moms play a very important role in empowering women and also empowering men to empower women. Because I'm a mom of 2 boys, okay? And I think it's super important of how we raise our boys, right? I want to thank my mother-in-law because she raised my husband very well. At least have that on record. We don't always thank our mother-in-laws. But my husband, grew up in Europe, and you have to help out. There's no other way. You have to help out around the house. Otherwise, nothing gets done. They don't have the luxury of having help as we do. And I like to raise my boys this way. They see my husband helping out in the kitchen, in the home, and I also give my boys some responsibility. And it's funny because I noticed that gender role assignments start as early as childhood. One of the first toys I bought my son Sebastian was a kitchen set. And one of my neighbors were like, "Di ba yan pang babae? Isn't it for girls?" And I'm like, well, all the greatest chefs in the world, a lot of them are men. So why is it that cooking is only for women? And that's how it is in our house. We like to share the different roles because ultimately a home is not just made up of the mom, it's made up of everybody who lives in the home. So even the men are homemakers, tama? Right? Yes, even the men are homemakers. So when we received, laundry's kind of hard. And I was discussing this earlier with a friend. The problem with laundry is, I think when a man looks at the laundry load, because for men, t-shirt, jeans, shirt, you can all throw it in, right? Okay, separate the colors of this. But women's clothing, we have silk, we have lace, we have, organza, all different kinds of things. And you can't just throw it in. So I think that's why sometimes some men are afraid to do laundry because they don't know where things go. And that's what's really incredible about the LG Twin Wash is you actually have specific cycles for specific things, and that's super incredible. Even for me, the first time I really did laundry when I lived by myself, oh my god, I turned so many things pink because like there was red stuff. I shrank like my favorite sweater because you know the old fashion controllers don't know what to do, and here it's very specific. There's delicates, there's silk, there's even things like it's bed sheets. You know, it really speaks to you. You don't even have to know the material, but you have to know the purposes. And I think that's very easy. Maybe it's time for us to do some woman's planning, not mansplaining. We're woman's planning to the men how easy it is to use the twin wash. And I just wanted to end with when we received it at home, my son, we opened the box and said, "Wow, Mama, what's this? Is it a time machine? Because it's so big. Like, I can get inside." And I said, well, as we got to use it, it is kind of like a time machine because it gives you more time. So I like that you can schedule your loads. I like that you can do things from your phone. That's pretty amazing. And yeah, in some way it is a time machine because it also brings us to the future where, you know, it's not just the women doing the laundry, but the men can help out too. So there, thank you very much.
Wow, very well explained. Thank you very much, Becky. You know, you touched on a few very interesting points. I love how you, the gender assignments and all that forward. That's very important. And I think men, I don't know if it's just me or I know this, but we tend to not want to do anything unless there's danger involved. Like, we won't cook, but if it's a barbecue, there's a big flame, right? You know, in New Zealand, Australia, we're all the men around there. Nobody's allowed to touch it. It's either danger or tech. If you introduce tech, men are wanting to figure it out. This is why I love the new mobile laundry of LG and the app. We'll be talking about that app. It's amazing. You can basically do your laundry from wherever there's Wi-Fi. You could be in another country. You could be on an airplane. Airplanes have Wi-Fi now. You can start your laundry. We'll talk about that and demonstrate that a little bit later. But one of the ways you can help is basically learning more about today and things that we would like to show you right now, how automatic it is, especially for a guy like me who loves cars and loves to tinker with tech. Let's watch this video right now to see how the LG line of smart washing machines can really take a load off the laundry. Don't forget the hashtag LG Laundry Love if you want to win those washing machines. LG is giving out later at the end of the program. Hashtag Laundry Love, your most creative social media posts about today.